You beautiful people, so of course we're back in the shop. I'm actually using the camera right now, so hopefully you can see me and hopefully I'm not too close. It is going to be a little bit loud in here, so hopefully you guys can see me. So today we are actually changing the oil right now because of course I wanted to see if it wasn't going to change anything. Hopefully, I just want to see if there's any metal or anything inside the oil when I do drain it out, so I might grab a cup or something and just kind of put, like, you know, just capture some of that oil that's coming. So just so we can see, put like a metal detector or a magnet inside there just to see if there's something inside of it. Alright guys, so here we are. I got my cup. And here we go. Oh. Nice good stream. Can't really see anything, but here we go. And this is a good point. I had drained the oil, and then realized that the oil was like gold.
Are you recording?
Oh, that's clean.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, people?
So when I was draining the oil was gold.
Yeah.
And it just looks like it was brand new. When I took the filter out, it looks like it was never used. There's no oil on it. I don't know. This is kind of interesting. It just looks like it has never been used at all. Like, but I'm still gonna change it. But it's just interesting. This has never been used at all. Huh. It's like brand new. So I said, all right. I put the royal purple into it because I know it has good cleaning characteristics.
Yeah.
So I did that, and then now this is the second oil change after 500 miles.
I'm glad you did this oil change.
Huh?
I'm glad you did this. I smell a lot of blow-bys. That's because we had the kitty cat issue.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that should be all set. Right down this area. I might actually have some sort of leak. I'll talk to that in a minute.
Changing oil on a sport car.
Huh?
Changing oil on all your nice clothes.
Oh yeah.
Workers caught me, bro.
Alright, and then of course, the next step, gotta take this off. Hopefully there's no leak. It's nice and clean.
Oil in already?
What?
Just put the oil in?
No. You can do that after. Oh man.
Put the today, Junior.
Any metal?
I hope not. There's metal in there.
No, there's no metal. Don't say that. Don't say that. Here we go.
Recording. It even knows.
Sorry, dude. It's all good. All good.
He has metal in there.
I don't have metal. There's no way I have metal. I didn't check it yet. I want to see that.
As long as you don't even, then you're fine.
That is true.
I didn't get to do this like
Customers have to see every single step I did.
Always remember, new seals. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but new seals. Always got to put new seals on these. When you do whatever, just take those shoes off because your waters, they're bad. They're like, you gotta take them off.
Well, you don't want to.
So what's going on is that we might actually have an oil leak. It could either be coming from the oil pan gasket, or it could actually be coming from the oil filter housing gasket, which in turn is not a fun repair to do. But if I have to do it, of course, I'm gonna do it for the people. You know what I mean? So that's gonna be all poured in. I think this is a huge funnel. So in daylight, this is actually purple, but it kind of looks black at the same time. So when you are pouring your oil out, it's going to be like pitch black at the same time. But some good stuff, nonetheless. All to the last drop. So if you do actually have to change your oil filter housing, you have to take off your belts. You have to take off all that extra stuff, your idle pulleys, all that good stuff, just to get to it. Like pretty much you're taking off everything just to get to the block. It's not fun. It's not fun at all. The N54 was so much more easy. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But that's this. I gotta put in the next one and then we're just gonna be done. Yeah. A word of advice on how to actually clear your service. So close the door.
Turn the key on first position.
On first position.
You gotta have two hands though.
Oh.
So you're gonna hold the button.
Yep.
Turn the key onto first position.
Yep.
The test is gonna start flashing. No, keep it on. You're gonna let go of the button. Press it again till the reset flashes. Let go of the button and just quick press.
Yeah. Nice. And there you have it. And then it says end, and there you go. So, word of advice from the man himself, the legend, Marcin. Absolutely. Isn't this thing clean? This thing's real clean. Now this video's getting a little bit too long. Longer than it's supposed to. But this thing, look at this thing! This thing's clean! Alright, so what I am going to do, I'm actually going to run it for about 10 seconds. Check the dipstick. And then, yeah. Bada boom. Bada bing. This is probably longer than 10 seconds. Alrighty, turn it off. Sweet juice. Sweet juice. You gonna get out? I'm falling. It's the dress shoes, people. The dress shoes got me falling. Hey, when you're making a video, it's on. Wow, that actually looks quite low.
It's actually almost dead on, maybe half a quart now.
Alright, and I put 6 quarts in it, so apparently I have to put another quart, so yikes.
Normally it's 6.5 liters.
6.5, okay.
Or 6-9 quarts.
6-9 quarts. Well, you're hearing it from the experts, so. Alright, cool. I am actually thinking about actually just sending that oil out. It was somebody gave me that advice to just send it out and see what's inside of it. And then maybe in the next 1,500 miles I might just do another oil change and just see, you know, what happens then. But of course, thank you. I've been getting a lot of support, a lot of followers. I appreciate you guys. Keep commenting, keep asking questions. I'm gonna try to answer as much as I can. And if I don't know the answer, of course, I'll figure it out. Like I said, I don't know everything, but I am willing to learn as much as I can. So hope you guys have a good one. You know, here's a smile, my ugly smile. It was a bit cheesy, ugly, a little tad, just a tad bit. But I hope you guys have a good one. Stay awesome, stay great, stay safe. Just be healthy. I drank a smoothie today. Ooh, that was a good smoothie. I think it was a strawberry banana. Yeah, I'm out.